such as the housing, chassis, and other systems. And also, all of the changes imposes tremendous challenges for designers and engineers. Any new electronic products that's going to market need to be compliant with legal regulations and standards, and especially for automotive industry, electromagnetic compatibility is a well-regulated area. OEMs and suppliers are responsible for compliance and EMC requirements. What is a EMC? This is to make sure that electrical system that can well work in its electromagnetic environment. First requirement is it will not influence the surrounding devices. That's so-called emission. And secondly, it should not be influenced by other equipments that's nearby. This is called immunity and susceptibility. EMC compliance is crucial to all products. So how can simulation be helpful to meet the EMC MI requirements? As you know, the compliance is crucial, and without the compliance to EMC standards, the product cannot be sold in a given country. And furthermore, OEMs might have their own, even more strict standards imposed on their suppliers. In the past, EMC engineering was typically associated with measurements only. It was applied later in the design stage that it required a working prototype. So when problems appeared in the later design stage, countermeasures have to be there to pass the test. So when you are in the later design stage, often the required time and the resources goes up tremendously. So simulation could help if we can bring simulations in the early design stage to mitigate certain emission problems when you at the early stage, and then you can save time and cost to market. So today's talk is focused on the drivetrain.